Hey everyone, and welcome to G Fun Facts Online. Let's talk about something that probably annoys all of us: online scams. They're everywhere, right? From those dodgy emails to fake websites, fraudsters are always cooking up new ways to trick us. But guess what? We've got a powerful new ally in this fight, and it's something we talk about a lot here: artificial intelligence, or AI. Seriously. Advanced AI models are like a superhero for our cybersecurity, detecting and shutting down these scams faster and more accurately than ever before. So how exactly does this digital guardian angel work? Well, AI fraud detection systems are super smart. They use fancy algorithms, machine learning, and sometimes even deep learning and neural networks to chew through massive amounts of data in real time. Imagine AI as a super detective. First up, it's amazing at data analysis and pattern recognition. I can sift through mountains of information, transaction patterns, how you use your devices, network signals, you name it. It spots tiny patterns and weird connections that a human might miss, flagging suspicious stuff that older systems wouldn't even blink at. Then there's behavioral analysis. AI learns what's normal for you. So, if you suddenly try to send a huge amount of money from a strange country in the middle of the night, AI goes, "Hold on a second, this doesn't look right." It can flag it for a check or even block it straight away. And that brings me to real-time detection and response. We're not talking about flagging something for someone to check next Tuesday. Modern AI can spot and react to a potential scam in milliseconds. Milliseconds. That's crucial for stopping financial loss before it even happens. AI is also a bit of a fortune teller with its predictive analytics. By looking at past scams and trends, it can predict where fraudsters might strike next or what new tricks they might try. This lets companies beef up their defenses before the bad guys even launch their attack. One of the coolest things about AI, especially machine learning, is its adaptive learning. It's always getting smarter. When fraudsters invent a new scam, the AI learns from it, updates its knowledge, and gets better at catching those new tricks. It's like a cybersecurity system that goes to school every day. And what about those scammy emails and messages? That's where natural language processing, or NLP, comes in. AI uses NLP to understand text, sniffing out suspicious language, phishing attempts, and other text-based cons. For the really tricky stuff, we have deep learning and neural networks. These are like the superbrains of AI. They can look at hundreds of different factors at once, finding incredibly complex and subtle clues that point to fraud. They're especially good at catching brand new, super sophisticated scam techniques. Now, here's a twist. Fraudsters are trying to use AI too, creating more convincing phishing emails or even deepfakes with generative AI. But the good news is, this same technology can be used for defense. For example, Google is using its own on-device AI, Gemini Nano, to boost safe browsing in Chrome. It gives you instant warnings about risky websites, even ones that haven't been flagged before. So what are the big wins from using advanced AI to stop scams? Well, first, increased accuracy. AI is way better than old methods at spotting real fraud, and, just as importantly, not flagging your perfectly normal online shopping as a scam. Fewer false alarms mean a smoother experience for us. Next, enhanced speed and efficiency. AI automates the whole detection thing, working at lightning speed. No human team could ever keep up with the sheer volume of online transactions. AI also allows for proactive threat mitigation. It's not just reacting to scams, it's anticipating them. That's a game changer. And it's scalable. Whether it's a small online store or a giant bank, AI systems can handle a massive amount of data without needing a proportionally massive budget. This also leads to reduced operational costs. Less fraud and less manual work mean companies save money. Finally, and this is a big one, improved customer trust. When businesses effectively stop fraud, we feel safer, and we trust them more. It creates a better, safer online world for everyone. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. The fight against online scams is like a constant cat-and-mouse game. As our AI defenses get smarter, so do the fraudsters. Scammers are now using AI to create super convincing fake emails, deepfake videos, and even voice recordings to try and fool us and bypass security. Another challenge is data quality and bias. AI needs tons of good, clean data. If the data is bad or biased, the AI might make mistakes or unfairly flag certain people. Then there's the black box problem. Sometimes it's hard to understand exactly why an AI made a particular decision. This lack of transparency can be tricky for things like regulations and knowing who's accountable, and, of course, privacy concerns. AI needs a lot of data to work, and that raises questions about how our data is being collected and protected. Strong data protection policies are a must. So what does the future hold? It's all about being adaptive and collaborative. Fraud prevention is focusing more on understanding the intent behind actions, not just verifying an identity. We're seeing AI models that learn and adjust to new scam patterns every single day, in real time. And teamwork is key. Tech companies, banks, and regulators need to work together, sharing information, insights, and even AI models to fight these super sophisticated fraud networks. Companies like Google are already doing this, constantly upgrading their AI like Gemini Nano to protect us on Search, Chrome, and Android by finding and blocking scams. In conclusion, advanced AI models aren't just helpful. They're absolutely essential in the battle against online scams. Their power to analyze huge amounts of data, learn from new threats, and react instantly gives us a strong, adaptable defense, making our digital lives just that little bit safer. And that's a fact worth knowing.